a picture. Where are you from?
Oh, no.
Love or money?
Handsome man.
Kiss or slap? It gotta be. This shit just life, man. Kiss out. Oh, she like you. Oh. Oh. She like you. She like you. She like your friend. Pattaya. Wait. Okay. Love or money?
Love.
Love. Alright, last question. Kiss or slap?
Again?
Kiss or slap?
Kiss.
Let's get it. My nigga. Does it get yours on the cheek, yo?
Yeah, where you going?
That's Patreon. We got
Patreon?
Make it first, though.
Patreon. She like your friend, Jeremy. She like you, Jeremy. You go. What'd you say, Jeremy?
Always.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, what he saying?
Handsome man.
Yeah.
That's the go-to, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's the first thing they gonna tell you. You know what I'm saying? They gonna tell you, handsome man. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Question, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from England.
He's from England. What part of England, sir?
I'm from the Lake District near Manchester.
He's from Manchester. Shout out to Manchester. So I want to ask you a question. How many times have you been in Pattaya?
Just twice.
And this being your second time, how long have you been in Pattaya?
27 days.
27 days. How do you enjoy Thailand in general?
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah, lovely place.
Would you live here or do you keep this as a visit place?
No, as a holiday.
It's a holiday. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
Oh, no. Hey, she said, take that thing. Man. Take that little what your mama gave you. Hey. Oh, me out here.
Yeah!
I want to look beautiful man, Nara. Beautiful man. Come on, I want to look
I look good.
beautiful man.
Home suai.
Yeah, she like that. Yo, we're just roll about the spicy then.
Spicy lady.
Hey, smart.
Pet mine.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's a picture.
There we go.
I appreciate it. USA. Yes. Where you from? You're from Thailand? Thailand?
No.
Where you from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Suai. Where you from? Thailand. Suai mak.
Where you from? From America?
Khao Kum Krao.
England. Shout out to England.
England. Oh, shout out to England. Shout out to England.
Yo, how many drinks is too many drinks here? Huh? How many drinks is too much?
Never too much. Never too much. Have a great night. Thank you. She called me cute like 56 times. I'm about to give me some milk cat from Cambodia. I'm about to give me some Cambodian shit.
I'm in the beat with P Lady, QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling.